recap on the oilseed and canola markets for everyone today. Just quickly at a global level, two of the key numbers that came out this week were global oilseed stocks at a 5-year low, which is pretty significant. And we've also seen a really big increase in oil consumption, particularly in the US and China. So those two factors alone are having a really big impact on this global oilseed markets, be it beans or canola. The key takeaway number I think on soybeans, which is pretty important, is the stocks to use ratio numbers. So back in 18-19, the stocks to use ratio closed at about 32.6%, which is a pretty comfortable number. This year the forecast is for the 2021 season to be back at about 25.4%, so it's quite a big step down from 2 years ago. And again, that stocks to use ratio number is why this market's behaving like it is at the moment. Just quickly, in North America, everyone would have probably seen they've had a pretty good rainfall event, which is what had been driving the market up until then. That rain has certainly taken the pressure valve off, and we've seen these markets come right back up until last night. Locally here in Australia, WA is off to a really great start. They've had great summer rain and good follow-up autumn rain. They've had a record plant of canola in the ground from all reports, so they're off to a flyer over there. In New South Wales, most regions in New South Wales have got good subsoil moisture. Mice are a major problem. We're hearing reports, particularly in the southern half of the states, of growers re-sowing crops that have been eaten by mice, which is obviously a concern. And in Victoria and South Australia, it's obviously dry, although south of the ranges in southeast South Australia, in those canola areas, is actually off to a pretty good start. So all in all, north of the ranges we need rain, but obviously south things are actually ticking along okay. That'll be all for today. We'll talk again soon. Thanks.